The ongoing legal battle between Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie over the French estate and winery they used to own together is getting ugly. In a new court filing obtained by ET, Angie's former investment company Nouvel accuses Brad and co-conspirators of attempting to retain control of Château Miraval by stripping and looting its assets. Now the company is seeking $350 million in damages.
This is a civil lawsuit with multiple parties. It's not just about Brad and Angelina.
The document filed on Monday alleges that Brad wasted the company's assets, spending millions on vanity projects, which they claim includes more than $1 million on swimming pool renovations, building and rebuilding a staircase 4 times, and spending millions to restore a recording studio.
There's always plans to revamp the studio, had the great bones of what Jacques Lussier created here. You want to create a space where you can be free, where you're not encumbered with all the outside world, where you can be free to digest, to download, to be introspective. And this place, it offers it for me.
Brad and Angie purchased the country estate in 2008 and tied the knot in 2014 before finalizing their divorce in 2019. But in 2013, before they said "I do," Brad transferred 10% of his share to Angelina to make her an equal partner in the business.
Brad Pitt allegedly put in $50 million more than Angelina Jolie into this business. He put in his time, his energy, sweat equity. So this case is not only about the money, but it's really about the time and the heart and the soul that he put into this business.
Flash forward to 2021, Angie reportedly sold her entire interest in Château Miraval to a division of the Jolie Group instead of Brad. That's when attorneys for Nouvel claim Brad's misconduct escalated, adding that he, quote, acted like a petulant child, refusing to treat Nouvel as an equal partner in the business. ET has reached out to reps for Brad for comment.
Brad is claiming that he would not have put all of the time and energy and effort that he put into this company if he knew that Angelina was going to go off and try to sell it. If this was going to be the business that was going to be passed on to the kids, that was 50-50, and that neither of them were going to sell the company without the consent of the other.
Brad, who shares 6 children with his ex, first filed a lawsuit over Angie's sale of the estate and winery in February 2022, calling it unlawful because he claims when they bought the property, they agreed they wouldn't sell without the other's consent. Well, Angie filed a countersuit claiming there was no such agreement.
Angelina's camp is claiming that we gave you every opportunity to buy the company. We were in negotiations, and then Brad started asking for a non-disparagement clause. So Angelina's saying that you tried to expand this non-disparagement clause to you, not just to the business, but you wanted to sort of shut me down from being able to talk about anything that happened in our relationship.
The docs state that Angie sold her portion of the winery in an effort to have financial independence from Brad and to have some form of peace and closure to a deeply painful and traumatic chapter of her life. And in court docs obtained by ET last month, Brad's legal team claimed his ex vindictively sold her stake behind his back, saying she sought to inflict harm on Brad.
It's not uncommon for civil disputes to get ugly. Now we have this undertone of a divorce. It's what's making it more complicated and dramatic.